How to fix Google Chrome sync paused error. Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started. So, first of all, open the Google Chrome and click on three dots over here and click on settings. Scroll down and click on site settings. Again, scroll down and you'll see on device side data. So, make sure to turn it on. Now again go back, again scroll down and you'll find privacy and security. So just click there and click on clear browsing data. And here make sure to choose all the three options and time range must be set on all time and simply press on clear data. Now your Google Chrome's problem has been fixed. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.